What if a 650 horsepower off-road SUV could not only dominate extreme terrain, but also score a full 5-star safety rating in one of the world's toughest crash tests? Meet the BYD Denza B5, a body-on-frame plug-in hybrid SUV that's shaking up the global off-road segment. And now, it's officially ANCAP 5-star rated. Known in China as the Fang Cheng Bao Bao 5, this rugged SUV was launched in 2023 and is built on BYD's advanced DMO off-road platform. It combines serious off-road hardware with electrified performance, aiming straight at established premium adventure SUVs. In terms of size, the Denza B5 measures 4,890 millimeters in length, 1,970 millimeters in width, and 1,920 millimeters in height, riding on a 2,800 millimeter wheelbase. Thanks to its hydraulic suspension system, ground clearance can be raised to an impressive 310 millimeters, making it well suited for extreme off-road conditions. Power comes from a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with 2 electric motors, producing a massive 505 kilowatts or 650 horsepower. This setup delivers strong low-speed torque for off-roading while retaining efficiency through its plug-in hybrid system. The Denza B5 has now earned a 5-star rating in ANCAP crash and safety testing, with particularly strong results across multiple categories. It scored an outstanding 95% in Child Occupant Protection, showing excellent protection in both frontal offset and side impact collisions. However, ANCAP noted that one booster seat could not be correctly installed in the center rear seat, which slightly impacted the assessment. In the Adult Occupant Protection category, the B5 achieved 86% with a stable passenger compartment during crashes. That said, ANCAP identified a potential risk from the front structure to occupants of an oncoming vehicle during frontal offset testing, resulting in a penalty. The Vulnerable Road User Protection score came in at 74%. While most AEB systems performed well, the AEB backover function was rated as marginal. Pedestrian head protection around the windscreen pillars and bonnet edges also showed mixed results. Finally, the Safety Assist category scored 78%, reflecting solid performance across driver assistance technologies. Outside China, this SUV will be sold as the Denza B5, with Australia confirmed as the first global market. Denza plans to enter the Australian market in 2026, positioning the B5 as a challenger to legacy premium off-road brands. With hybrid power, extreme off-road capability, and 5-star safety credentials, the Denza B5 could redefine what buyers expect from a modern off-road SUV. So here's the big question. If the Denza B5 launches in your country, would you buy it? Or would you still choose a traditional diesel off-road SUV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.